Okay, so I just got the Team Hillsong box in the mail, and I'm going to do an unboxing for it, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be my favorite Hillsong Team Box. I get it monthly, and I'm really excited to open this one. It's the one all about empathy, which is what Gary Vee preaches. He talks a lot about empathy as well as this church, so let's check it out. Hillsong Team Box. Hillsong.com/team to sign up for yours. This one I'm really excited about. Let's take a look. So what we got in this box today, we've got the empathy mask, free access to the Hillsong channel now. Oh, I didn't know I get that. I normally check out Hillsong channel live, but I didn't. Hillsong channel now is like watch at any time. That's great. 4-part empathy series. Okay. What else we got? This oversized sweatshirt, and I did a size small because they normally have oversized clothing for all their clothing. So give back love, give back empathy, give back home. Choose empathy 4-part teaching series. What do we got here? Empathy, the ability to lean in and identify the difficulty of another, to understand, be sensitive towards, and share the plight of others. Choose empathy, the 4-part teaching series. This inspiring series will enlarge your heart, give you a deeper appreciation of what true empathy looks like, and help you discover how you can make a felt difference in your world. Did you know every Team Box you get free access to Hillsong channel now.com every month? Simply download the app on your phone, tablet, or smart TV by using the same email as your Team Box account. I actually never knew that, and I've been getting boxes for a while now, so hey, this is what I was really excited for. Oh my gosh, the mask. I mean, I don't really like that we're having to wear masks, but this is so cool. Check out the mask. I'm smiling under here, and I'm choosing empathy. Let's just be real for a second. I love this box because it's easy to give to the church because you're getting something back, and you know, they just know what they're doing. They know marketing. You know, they know that they're probably gonna get more donations this way, especially just what you get from this box. It's so great. So I think it's just an easier way to donate to a church because they know the psychology of people. They like to get something in return. So let's take some more look at what's in this box. Okay, I just love this because of Gary Vee's word too. You know, look at this. Give back love, give back empathy, give back hope. What else does it say? Choose empathy. Choose empathy on each side. Okay, so that was the back. Is there anything on the front? Oh, the front's, nope, the front's just white and everything's on the back. Cool. Very cool sweatshirt. So I love this box because they create clothing with words that I want to wear and things that I want to express and share these messages with the world because I am in alignment and agreement with their word because it's God's word. So hit the subscribe button here on Conscious Content. Check out Hillsong Team Box and Hillsong Channel Live and Hillsong Channel Now. Anything Hillsong.